What if I told you a barefoot village girl with no shoes, no books, and no money became a doctor? Everyone said impossible. Her own father said no. But Sarah, she did something that changed everything. This is not just a story. This is proof that your dreams are not too big. Stay till the end because what Sarah's sister did will shock you. Act 1. The Dream Begins. Sarah was just 8 years old, living in a small village called Kingston in Newark. Her family was very poor. Her mother sold vegetables. They had almost nothing. But Sarah had something special, a big dream. One day, a kind doctor came to their village and saved her sick brother's life. That moment changed everything for Sarah. I want to be a doctor, she told her father. Her father smiled sadly. Sarah, we don't have money. Becoming a doctor is very hard. But Sarah looked at him with fire in her eyes. I will study hard. I will find a way. Every morning, Sarah woke up before sunrise. She walked 1 hour to school, barefoot, no shoes. Her bag was old and torn. Her notebook had missing pages. But she never complained. Her teacher, Miss Leela, saw something special in Sarah. You can do anything if you work hard, Miss Leela told her. At night, when everyone slept, Sarah studied under a small lamp. She knew her dream was far away, but she believed in herself. Act 2. The Struggle and the Help. Life got harder. Sarah's notebook ran out of pages. She had no pencils, no new books. One day, she sat outside school looking at her torn notebook, feeling sad. Miss Leela saw her. Sarah, why so sad? I don't have books or notebooks, Miss Leela. It's very hard. The next day, Miss Leela brought a bag to school. Inside were new books, pencils, and a fresh notebook. These are for you, Sarah. Keep working hard. Sarah's eyes filled with tears. Thank you, Miss Leela. I will make you proud. Then something beautiful happened. A new girl named Amina joined Sarah's class. They became best friends. When Amina saw Sarah's old supplies, she brought her colorful markers and an eraser. Now you can write better, Amina said with a smile. Sarah realized something important. Dreams need hard work, but friends make the journey beautiful. But the biggest test was coming. Act 3. The Competition. One day, Miss Leela announced, there's a science competition in the city. The winner gets a scholarship. Sarah's heart jumped. A scholarship could change everything. At home, she told her family. Her father smiled. We will support you. Sarah worked day and night on her project about clean water and health. Amina helped her with colored paper. Competition day arrived. Sarah saw so many students with expensive projects. She felt nervous. What if my project isn't good enough? She whispered. Amina held her hand. You worked hard. Believe in yourself. Sarah presented her project. She explained how clean water saves lives. The judges smiled and nodded. Then came the announcement. The scholarship goes to Sarah. She couldn't believe it. Her family hugged her. Amina cheered. This is just the beginning, Sarah thought. Act 4. The Sacrifice. With the scholarship, Sarah went to a better school in the nearby town. Everything was exciting, but also harder. The classes were bigger, homework was more. Students came from rich families with nice clothes and tutors. Sarah felt alone sometimes, but she found a new friend named Leela who helped her study. Then one day, something heartbreaking happened. Sarah's sister Amina came to her. Sarah, I am stopping school. What? Why? You love school. Sarah was shocked. Amina smiled with tears in her eyes. I want you to follow your dream. I will work in a shop and help our family. You can become a doctor. Sarah cried, "No, Amina, this isn't fair." But Amina had made up her mind. She started working and even bought Sarah a new school bag with her first salary. Sarah wrote her a note. "Dear Amina, thank you for helping me. I will study hard and make you proud. Love, Sarah." This sacrifice made Sarah work twice as hard. She couldn't waste this chance. Act 5. The Big Test and Victory. Years passed. Sarah faced a huge test for a college scholarship. If she passed, she could finally study to become a doctor. She studied by candlelight because her village had no electricity. Amina sat with her every night. Test day came. Sarah was so nervous. What if I fail? Amina hugged her. "You are smart, Sarah. Believe in yourself." Sarah gave her best. After 1 week, Miss Leela called her. "Sarah, you got the highest score. You won the scholarship." Sarah ran home crying happy tears. "Amina, I passed." College was hard. Sarah studied for hours and worked in the library for money. Her professors said, "Sarah, you have a bright future." After many years of hard work, sleepless nights, and endless studying, Sarah became a doctor. When she returned to her village, everyone cheered. Amina hugged her, crying, "I'm so proud of you." Sarah opened a small clinic in her village. She helped sick people for free. Everyone called her Dr. Sarah. She looked at Amina and said, "We did it. Our dreams came true." From a barefoot girl with no money to Dr. Sarah, this story teaches us 3 things. Your background doesn't decide your future, your hard work does. Never give up even when everyone says it's impossible. Help comes when you truly work for your dreams. If Sarah can do it, so can you. What's your dream? Tell me in the comments. And if this story inspired you, hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss stories that change lives. See you in the next video.